This is On-Ramp's Precalculus, Unit 8. It's about derivatives of trig functions, product rule, quotient rule, and the chain rule. So I'm going to rewrite this so it's very clear what's going on here. This is y equals 2 times cosecant 5x plus 1, the whole thing to the third power. That's another way to rewrite that. When the power is next to the trig function, it means the whole trig function is to a power. So I'm going to have to do, remember the chain rule is this. If I have f of x equals g of h of x, some function inside another function, then the derivative is going to be the derivative of the inner function times the derivative of the outer function. So I've got this going on twice here. I've got 5x plus 1 inside the function cosecant, inside the function of 2 times cosecant 5x plus 1 raised to the third power. So I got to do this 3 times. So what's the derivative of 5x plus 1? The derivative of 5x plus 1 is 1 times 5 is 5, 1 minus 1 is 0, x is 0 is 1. So 5 times the derivative of cosecant 5x plus 1. Well, here's my trig derivatives. Cosecant is negative cosecant cotangent. So I'm going to put the negative out here, and then cosecant, and then 5x plus 1, because that's what I'm taking the cosecant of, times cotangent. I'm not going to have enough room. Never enough room, 5x plus 1. I'm going to make it bigger right now just to see if that helps me in a few seconds here. Okay, I made it much bigger. Now I take the derivative of this outside thing. This is like 2. Sometimes you do use substitution. 2 times a blob raised to the third power. And the blob is a function of x. So I use the power rule. 3 times 2 is 6. I put the 6 there. Not a very good 6. That's a better 6. 3 times, oh, that's a terrible 6. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 minus 1 is 2. And so it's cosecant 5x plus 1 squared. And now let's see, can I multiply things together and simplify this? Negative 5 times 6 is negative 30. I've got cosecant 5x plus 1 times cosecant 5x plus 1 squared, which is cosecant 5x plus 1 to the third power, because this is the first power. I'm multiplying them together. They're to different powers, so I add the exponents, times the cotangent of 5x plus 1. So that was like a double chain rule. And I can rewrite this as negative 30 cosecant cubed 5x plus 1 times cotangent 5x plus 1. So there's the answer for the derivative of this. 2 times cosecant 5x plus 1 to the third power, or cosecant third power 5x plus 1. Double chain rule.